All right, let's quickly talk about EBS Snapshot archives. So EBS Snapshot archives are a cost-efficient way of storing infrequently used snapshots. They present about 75% lower storage costs, and the restore time is between 24 to 72 hours. And what are the use cases? Well, you would use these for retention of data that you need to keep for at least 90 days or more, for regulatory compliance, for instance, taking a snapshot of your current setup for future project releases, and a snapshot taken at the end of the project so that you can do some quality assurance if need be. So there we go, that's EBS Snapshot Archives. I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.